What if I told you saving money can feel like punishment? Your brain actually hates delaying pleasure. Every coin you put in savings feels like taking a reward away. It's not your fault. Your brain is programmed to want comfort now. A long day, an empty stomach, a mind that won't rest. So you avoid that extra expense. You skip the meal, you skip the movie, you skip the joy. At first, it feels responsible, but deep down, it feels lonely. You wonder, why does saving feel like a punishment? Inside your brain, an ancient survival system is at work. It's wired to prefer immediate rewards. Saving is a delayed reward. Your brain sees that waiting as pain. The amygdala whispers, better spend now, stay safe. Meanwhile, the reward center waits, frustrated. Whenever you save, part of your brain panics. It remembers how spending felt good. Each small sacrifice triggers stress. Even tiny rewards feel delayed. So you spiral. Your brain wants to punish saving. To rewire this, start small. Pause before the purchase, even for a few seconds. Trade that urge for a tiny reward now. A piece of candy, a 5-minute break, a smile. Over time, the brain learns savings bring rewards too. Eventually, saving no longer feels like pain. It becomes a source of pride and security. You realize you are not weak for waiting. Your brain can change its story. Patience turns into power. Saving money doesn't have to hurt. Your brain was simply following old survival signals, but patterns can change. And once you learn the pattern, you control the story of your money. If this episode helped you change your view on saving, comment below, "I see the new pattern." Your mind needs to hear it. Like, subscribe, and join Rise from Roots for more ways to rewire your money story.